Cycle. I went to your house and no one was there. First time in years, I'll admit I was scared. I patted room for room as I searched for proof. But even then, I couldn't accept the truth. You betrayed the secret, you revealed the secret. You revealed the secret, you revealed the secret. Peter Pettigrew, I'm coming for you, you better run. Killed my best friend and now the end is about to begin. When Hagrid arrived, I could barely speak. But Harry survived and my knees went weak. I only wanted to hold him in my hands. Dumbledore had other plans. I said, get him to safety, take my cycle. Get him to safety and take my cycle. Peter Pettigrew, I'm coming for you, you better run. You're my best friend and now the end is about to begin. Peter Pettigrew, I'm coming for you, you better run. Killed my best friend and now the end is about to begin. Trailed him down the street, and when he saw me, Wormtail began to retreat, but it's not that easy, I said, we trust in you! He smirked, how foolish. I closed my eyes and then we were dueling. Peter Pettigrew, I'm coming for you, you better run. Killed my best friend and now the end is about to begin. Peter Pettigrew, I'm coming for you, you better run. You killed my best friend and now the end is about to begin. And then you were gone and I knew you had won. I collapsed so slowly to the ground. Saw devastation all around me. And I knew that I would be alone for every day hereafter. I wept so hard it was mistaken for laughter. No matter how long I have to wait, I know that there will come a day when you'll show your face again. And I'll be right there ready with my wand out, prepared to pay you back for betraying my best mate. Peter Pettigrew, I'm coming for you, you better run. Killed my best friend and now the end is about to begin. Let me hear you sing it. Killed my best friend and now the end is about to begin. Thank you.